Giveaway times 10. That's right, 10 giveaways. Welcome you guys. My name is DanCBearded. With every single video I put out with consistency and quality, I'm trying to earn that title given to me as the trusted teacher. I'm bringing that beard knowledge, reviews, and information. And today we are going way back to cover a company that was one of my very first beard purchases and one of my first beard review videos. So a little special to me, and that is the Gentle Vikings company. We have 3 different things we're going to talk about, and 2 of which we're going to give away times 5. First up is the kit, the beard oil, balm, and comb kit that I reviewed. We're going to give away 5 of these. Second up is the beard grooming and trimming kit with another beard comb, a brush, and an edging tool or a shaper, and we're going to give away 5 of these. And then the last thing we're not going to give away, but it's a new product of theirs, and I'm going to review it for you guys. That is their beard wash. I have a used product, and then I also have this unopened one. So maybe I'll do something on my own to give this away. But we are going to have 10 giveaways today, guys. I've actually already given away 10 of these at a local beard meetup. That was at B-Dubs with some of my bearded buddies from the channel and followers. So this is a massive giveaway, and I hope you guys will enjoy the information and a chance to win this. Thank you, guys. Company. A little bit of information about the Gentle Vikings company. First off, they have a team that is led by a doctor, and they say that they are based on plant ingredients, plant-based ingredients to make all of their products. And that's huge. We like to see that. They also say that they have 15 years of research and development, and good experience is something we like as well. Now, one thing I will point out about this company is right on their labeling, right on their website, they say that their products are formulated in the USA, formulated in USA. What that means is their recipe is what is made in the USA. We want so much of this ingredient, so much of this ingredient, heat it at this temperature, cool it at this temperature, and so on. But then it does say in here, made in PRC. Now, for some of you, you may not know what that is off the top of your head, but being a history teacher and a geography teacher, this is my world and was very easy. The PRC stands for People's Republic of China. So this is made in China, and yes, that's probably just a little marketing twist so they don't have to say made in China, but the technical name of China is the People's Republic of China. So they're just being a little bit more accurate, but I'm sure it helps a little bit to not say China on there. So for some of you, it's a deal breaker. I know a lot of you don't like Chinese-made products. For others, it's not a big deal as long as it's quality, feels good, smells good. And so I'll leave that completely up to you guys. I would say their reason is probably to save cost and save money for you, that they want to have that quality made recipe, the quality ingredients, and then it can be made at an affordable price. So I never tell you guys what to do, what not to do. I just like to paint the picture, give you guys the facts, and then you get to decide. And then the last thing with this company, they were one of the original reviews I did. I had never talked to any of them. And then about 3 or 4 weeks ago, I got an email that said, hey, Dan C., how did we not know you've had a review about our company for like 3 or 4 months now? Can we give back? We want to do a giveaway on your channel. We want to say thank you. Is there something we can do there? We've got some new products we'd like to get in your hands. And I said, hey, you know what? That was one of my first things that I did. Let's do it. Let's give a giveaway as long as it's a good one. And they said, let's throw it out times 10. I said, heck yeah, let's do it. So that's a little bit of information, a little bit longer today, but I thought worth it to make those points. Gentle Vikings. Price. I rate every company based on a $1, $2, or $3 price rating, and the Gentle Vikings is the epitome of a $1 price rating. It is your Amazon bargain, your Amazon deal, and I will say that this is more of an entry-level beardsman product. I really liked this when I began, and then I used it a little bit less and less, but we're going to talk about the tools. I think the tools are top-notch. But as you get into the beard game, you like different styles of oil and balm and scents. But this is the perfect entry-level beardsman because of the price and because of the products here. So just keep that in mind as we go through. This men's essential kit, I believe right now, is $15. And that includes a 2-ounce oil, a 1-ounce balm, and a wood comb. $15 for 2 ounce oil, 1 ounce balm, and a comb. That's crazy. We also have the beard trimming kit. I'll put that in the link. And then we have 6.25 ounces of beard wash. Beard wash will last you forever. This will be months and months and months. It'll still stay good. And this, I believe, is under $13. So absolutely a $1 sign price rating, bargain, quality, affordable price right there. All right, friends, family, bearded brothers out there, please welcome the beautiful Sam C.
Hello.
Sam, today we are going over Gentle Vikings.
Okay.
If you remember, this was one of my very first purchases in the beard game. I got it off Amazon.
I don't remember.
Well, you may remember I had this tin sitting on the beard shelf and I put stickers around it.
Yes, I do remember that.
Straight away from the beginning, not only did I use the products, I used the tin and I took all my beard stickers from the beginning and I put it all over there. And I would keep like my combs and stuff and I kept it on the beard shelf. And then I ran out of space on the beard shelf.
Way back in the day.
So, yep, that was when it was the baby beard shelf there. All right, so we're just going to run through quickly here, get your take on the scent of a couple things.
Okay.
So the first one is their beard oil. What do you think? Description and thoughts. And their beard oil has changed since I originally purchased it.
What is that? It's like lemonade without the lemon.
Yeah, it's...
What is that?
I don't know. They say it's...
Sugar water.
They say they have some sandalwood in there. It's... When I first got it, it was like a laundry scent, the original oil, and it still is. I still have some of my original bottle. This has a little bit of laundry, but there's something sweet in there.
Yeah.
It's not like overwhelming. It's not a citrus. It's not...
I get like a sweet smell, a natural smell, and a laundry smell.
Yeah,
all
yeah.
together. And I don't hate it.
No, it's super pleasant.
Yeah.
It's better than the original. They've reformulated it, and it's been a little bit different. Yeah, it's almost like, I don't want to use this again, but cotton candy type laundry. Like somebody kept some cotton candy bubble gum in their pocket and it went through the laundry.
Okay, for me, it's not that sweet.
Okay.
When I think of cotton candy, I think of very sweet.
Okay.
It's just
yeah,
like,
it's not overly sweet. You're right.
I really like it.
Yeah, it's
like
pleasant.
A good mix of
it's very
sweet,
light.
natural laundry.
Yep, just light, just pleasant, nice. And then the balm, which again, guys, is like a butter, super thin, super thin.
Same smell.
Yep, it's nice.
Maybe like a little bit more laundry.
Okay, yeah. And when I got this about 3 months ago, it was pure laundry in my original review. It is different and has evolved more.
That's so interesting.
So, yeah, definitely sweet there. We got some combs and some brushes and stuff. You don't need to smell those. Yeah, I know. It's awesome.
I want to smell your combs.
Smell my comb. New shirt idea?
No.
Smell my comb? No.
Gross.
All right. And we're doing 10 giveaways on these.
Oh my God.
10.
Ah.
One thing Sam randomly likes to smell is shampoos. She loves
It's like
the scent of like cleaning shampoos and stuff.
What a weird thing to say.
I know, it's super weird, but is it true?
It is.
It is true. She likes that smell. So this is their shampoo. It is called Woody Amber. Who's this Amber girl? Once again. All right.
Okay, so that's what this is Woody Amber.
Yep, but I don't get any woody in there or amber. Like, I don't smell any woodsy. I really get like a sweet laundry.
Yeah, I really like that.
Yeah, it's nice. It's very pleasant, very smooth. Spilled a little shampoo there, and we'll get that cleaned up. That's all right. So, overall thoughts on the scent?
I really like the scent.
Yeah.
I don't think it smells woodsy, or I don't know what does amber smell like?
It's rich. It's kind of like a warm, welcoming type scent. It's not that to me.
It's not that? Okay.
Not really. No.
It smells really good. I really like it.
Yeah. It's definitely not on the masculine side. I wouldn't say it's feminine. It's more kind of sweet.
Feminine.
Sorry, yes.
Feminine.
Feminine. Can't speak today.
No,
so,
I think it's very neutral.
Neutral, definitely.
Natural neutral.
Yep, I like it for nighttime. It's nice and calming.
Yeah, that is a good nighttime.
Perfect for the nighttime. That's the only time I wear it, so it's nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Cool.
There you go.
All right, well, thank you, Sam C.
You're welcome.
Feel and beard. Since we have so many different types of things we're going to talk about today, I'm just going to talk about the overall quality of those things. So the first thing is the beard kit. Comes really nicely packaged here. And the first thing you see is the 2-ounce oil. The 2-ounce oil has a really good feeling beard. The ingredients are all really, really nice. You have some that you don't see always, but have really good properties for your beard, like wheat germ oil, like hemp seed oil, like almond sweet oil. So just some really good, all natural ingredients inside of their oil. It's 2 ounces, it feels good. It's on the light side, and I like it on those lazy days, and I usually wear the oil and the balm at night. That's really the only time I would wear these and wear them now, because it has a nice, clean, laundry-like scent. I only wear them at night. And the balm, which is a 1 ounce, is extremely light. It is almost like a butter. This is the new one I just opened. I have some that I have in my closet that I use. But it's extremely light. You take your finger, it runs right through it. It's very much like a butter. You get almost no hold from this balm. So just make sure if you're using this, it's for the conditioning purposes only, but it does a really good job of doing that. The highlight of this entire package for me though, is inside this essential kit, this Gentle Vikings comb. It looks like it has the knuckles going around the outside. This was my first wood comb, and I've probably received 20 or 30 cents. And this is literally still my favorite comb. I have one use for it, and I have a video this week that's going to be showing how I use this and how I've had it for the last 3 or 4 months. So this is an absolute sturdy, unbelievably strong comb. All-star comb right here. I would pay the full price of the kit for this comb again. So absolute highlight, amazing deal for the comb. Now to the beard grooming kit here, or the trimming kit. First thing is you have with their logo there, really nice size boar's hair bristle brush. Nice medium to soft bristles, good length on them there. The only thing I will say about the bristles, when I first started using it, I was losing some of the boar's hair that was coming out of there, but after about a week or 2, all the loose ones were gone and it stayed pretty good. But when you first get it, you probably are gonna have some hairs fall out, so just keep that in mind as you go through. But nice sturdy wood that goes with it. You also have another beard comb. What I like about this one is how long the teeth are and how wide the comb is. That's really, really nice. This one's still my favorite because of the shape, but you can see how big this comb is. And the last thing in there, you have a little edging tool, but also a little comb for touch-ups. You can line up your cheek line and your neckline with this. I will be fully honest, I have never used this, and I've never used any edging tools that I've received. I do my cheek line myself, I do my neckline myself, and by my neckline, I leave it natural. I don't touch it. So if you need an edging tool, this seems like a really good one, but I've never used it, and I probably never will. So that's in the kit there as well. And then the last thing, their newest product, this is their beard wash. Their beard wash, and their beard wash feels really good. I have all levels of beard wash. Some that lather up, some that strip down, some that moisturize. This is more on the stripping side of the wash. And I like to have different uses for those types of washes. If I feel like I've had a lot of product in the last couple of days, especially wax from beeswax from balm or a beard wax, I like to hit it with this and get all of that wax out of there. And it does leave your beard feeling a little, kind of tangly or sticky when you go through. All I do is hit it with a co-wash and boom, it's money there. So a really good but stripping wash. So keep that in mind if you're going with this. It is going to be that one that's going to take all the product out of your beard, which I think you need to have something like this in your arsenal. So overall, some really good products, especially when you factor in the price. Again, this was one of my first purchases, and I still use some of these products 4 or 5 months later. That's pretty special. Rebuy. Would I repurchase these products again? Recommend them to you guys, ask them as a gift, give them as a gift? Definitely. I literally purchased this product. It was one of my first. The area that I would recommend it to you guys, or the way I would use it for myself, is purchasing it for a new beardsman. You can get oil, balm, and a comb, or if a little beardsman now is along the way, you can get a boar's hair bristle brush, a comb, and an edging tool if he wants to line up, and you have beard wash. This would be the epitome of a nice gift for somebody that is entering this bearded world. We just missed Christmas, but do they have a birthday? Do you want to just encourage them to keep their beard? I think that is the perfect realm. If you are a new beardsman out there, I absolutely recommend it to you. If you're an experienced beardsman that dabbles in all these companies I talk about, this may not be the ultimate package for you, but hey, maybe there's someone out there that you know that this would go really well for. So definitely an entry level, a new beardsman gift. I think that is super, super perfect for that. And we will have a giveaway, guys. To leave a comment, you guys know I always have a question at the end. Please stay tuned for the giveaway segment, and then you can know how to enter. Giveaway! You guys, we have 10 giveaways today. 5 beard kits with the oil, balm, and comb, and 5 grooming kits with the comb, brush, and edging tool. 10 of them. We're going to let this video run for about a week, and then I'll post a winner's video with a random generator. The writing is getting a little bit crazy now, so we're probably just going to go to the link generator that I was using for the 12 days of Beardmas. But regardless, it is awesome. If you're an experienced beardsman and you win this, maybe pass it on to a buddy. If you're a new beardsman out there, welcome. So all you need to do to enter this contest is number 1, please be subscribed. Stay subscribed. When I announce the winners, I will check to see who is subscribed. If your subscriptions are on private, I will contact you and ask for a screenshot just to verify, because still to this day, the majority of my view time is with non-subscribers. It's people watching my morning routine, it's people watching those big videos, and they're not subscribed there. So make sure you are subscribed to enter this. And then all you need to do is, first off, say hello to my cat Luna. All right, we know Lumen doesn't like to join in, but we got Luna in here today. She was just taking a nap, all soft. But what you need to do, other than saying hi to Luna, is leave a comment and let me know what is your preferred type of beard wash. I talked about this beard wash being the one that really gets the products out of your beard and really strips it down in a good way. You need to do that. But I also have ones that fizz up in a really nice and pleasing way because of that feeling. I also have ones that are more conditioning. Not asking about co-wash here, but actual beard wash. What type do you have? What type do you use? What type do you like? If you're a new beardsman that's coming in to try and get into this giveaway, what do you use currently to wash your beard? Is it the bar soap you've always used on your body? Is it your Pantene Pro V? What are you using? Be honest here and we can help each other out and learn and grow. So be a subscriber, please hit the thumbs up. Let's help that video content algorithm go through and make this channel grow, you guys. But answer that comment down below and you'll be entered. We're going to have 10 different winners. Pretty amazing. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed all the different products we talked about today from Gentle Vikings. I am DanCBearded and I hope you have a wonderful day.